so sorry, okay? I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
No.
Are you sure you're not angry?
No, I'm not angry.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Alright, let's go. I need to go and see my parents. Man, my father and my mother, they cannot wait to see you.
I can't wait either.
Let's go. Let's go.
Are you blackmailing me?
Do not call it blackmail to make it look like a lie. It's the truth. And we must always speak the truth.
What exactly do you want?
What do I want? I love that question. What I want? I want to marry your son. Yes, do not get me wrong. I will make a very good wife to him. I promise. On Scout's honor. And I trust that, with what you now know that I know, you are going to make it work.
Really?
Yes, really.
You talk as if you've forgotten what you did. And now my husband is involved. You know who he is. You think it will be very easy for us to erase what you did and accept you here in this home as a daughter-in-law?
Well, I know what I did. And I regret my actions. Of course, everyone has a past. You agree with me. Considering the fact that you already know what I know about you and Clinton. So trust me, Madam Concern, you will fix it. Yes. Fix this, else. I am so itchy. My mouth is just itchy to spill every dirty, dark thing I know about you and Clinton. And I know you don't want that. I'll be counting on you to do just that, okay? Trust me. I had a pleasant visit with you. Have a nice day, Madam Concern.
Honey, it's like, I want us to talk.
It has to wait until I come back in the evening.
But it's very urgent. So we need to give it an urgent attention.
Okay, what is it?
I'm aware that you know that Tobina has gone to bring the woman he wants to marry, right?
Yeah, that is right.
Honey, I don't think that will be fine. We don't need it.
A very beautiful wife. Why will you say that?
See, the devil we know is better than the angel we've not seen.
And where is this coming from?
Okay, say this way. Chama is the devil we know. And the new girl he's bringing is an angel we've not seen. I think the best way is for Tobina and Chama to reconcile and move on with their lives.
Why will you say that? To the best of my knowledge, Tobina has moved on with his life, and I am certain the Chama you are talking about has equally moved on. There is no need trying to reconcile them.
Honey, there is need for reconciliation. Yes.
What?
If there is no sin, there won't be forgiveness. Let us use this medium to teach our son the art of forgiveness. Listen, if we don't use this opportunity to teach Tobina that sins and offenses can be forgiven, we might not get this opportunity again.
I think you are right. You are right, indeed.
Thank you for your understanding. By the way, you look good.
Thank you for saying that. And you look gorgeous.
Thank you. All right, then. Have a nice day.
That is she, my darling sister. Meet my angel. And you meet my loving sister. You already know her.
And you look pretty.
And you are so beautiful. I am pleased to meet you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So welcome to our humble abode.
Your home is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Where's mom and dad?
They're inside.
Let's go inside. Dad, are you going out?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought we discussed this. We discussed that I was going to bring the woman I love to show you and mom. So why are you going out?
And your woman doesn't know how to greet.
Please forgive me, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
Tobina, I will see you shortly.
Dad?
He has a business meeting to catch.
Mom?
Toba, come. Now. Toba!
Come, okay. Relax. Right? You just, right? Mom. Mom.
Did I do something?
No, it's fine. Everything will be fine. Just calm down. Do you care for anything?
I really don't have appetite for
No, it's okay. Let me just get something for you.
Mom, I hope all is well.
Son, please. I want you to reconcile with Chama.
What? No, Mom. I won't do anything like that. I won't do it.
According to the Bible, if there is no sin, there won't be forgiveness.
Oh, Mom, please stop. Don't talk to me about the Bible, Mom. Don't preach to me, please. I won't do it.
Your father and I had a discussion about this. And we have come to the conclusion that you will reconcile with Chama and bring her back to the family.
What? You had a conversation with my father to the point that you reached the conclusion without me knowing, Mom? Why wasn't I aware of this discussion?
Please, just calm down. It's a mistake on our own path. Okay? Please. We have concluded that this will be. So I want you to go tell the girl to leave.
I would do no such thing, Mom.
Excuse me.
I will not do it. You cannot order me around. You cannot dictate for me who I will spend the rest of my life with.
Then I will do it.
What?
Yes. If you're not going to tell her to leave, I will tell her to leave.
Mom. What's come over you? Mom, what is this? Why this sudden change? When did you become this hostile? When?
Now.
This is not you, Mom. This is not you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your father must be a very rich man.
Why do you say so?
I mean, look at your house and all these things. It is only a rich man that can afford them.
Yes. You may be right, because my father is a businessman and he told me that he's not doing so badly. So,
Let's leave this place right now.
why?
We'll talk about that later. Let's go.
What is going on?
I said we'll talk about that later. Let's go! I'm coming.
Mommy, do you know Messi from anywhere?
No, why do you ask?
What did you tell Brother Toba about Messi?
I didn't say anything to him.
You did. And that must be a negative thing that made him react that way.
My dear, I didn't. If you want, you can call Toba to verify.
Well, I don't care whatever you must have told him. But Messi is the one for him. Messi is the girl he will marry.
Adadiche, you are not in any position to decide who your brother marries.
That includes you. You two should not decide who he will marry. Let's not interfere in his matter. Please. Don't go and poison his mind.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall.
Babe. Please, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about everything.
Your parents don't like me.
Babe, don't say that. Okay, that's not true.
I saw it. I saw the anger on your mother's face, the look in her eyes. She was so upset. They did not even respond to my greetings.
I know. I feel there's a mix-up somewhere. Okay? I will try and sort it out. I promise you.
A mix-up?
Yes.
They've never met me before. It's the first time. Yet, it seems like she's known me from somewhere. Like, I did something wrong. I have never been this confused my entire time. I literally felt cold at that moment.
It's okay. It's alright. Okay, look, I just can't lay my hands on anything at the moment. Okay, but I promise you, As soon as my dad comes back this evening, okay, I will talk to him and try and sort this out. I mean, I will sort whatever the problem is, I'll sort it out. I promise you. Please.
It's fine.
Please.
It's fine. I'll be waiting.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm gonna drop you off.
Blackmailing that woman is a very dangerous thing, and I want you to stop.
Those who fight must fight with every weapon at their disposal. I won't stop until I'm reunited with Obina.
She is not the reason for your separation with Obina.
I know.
Why drag her into the picture?
Trust me, in every war, there are casualties. And I won't stop until I achieve all my aim and objectives.
That's so unfair.
All is fair in love and in war. She's the only leverage I've got, so I will use her till I get what I want.
Chama, this path you are treading is a very dangerous one. And I would advise you think twice before walking through that path.
Thanks for the advice, dearest friend. It's not needed. I've got my hands set on the plow and looking back. Because if I do, I'll be making a very big mistake. It simply means I didn't know what I wanted in the first place. Why I started out to blackmail her. I must see this to the end. And that's final.
Dad, Mom told me that you two already had a discussion that I should go back to Chama.
That is correct.
Why, if I may ask?
Forgiveness. Oh yes, we intend to teach you the whole concept of forgiveness. Because marriage is not a bed of roses. When you are finally married, Tobenna, one way or the other, you are going to offend your wife. And your wife will equally offend you, one way or the other. So we needed to teach you that forgiveness is important. That when you are married, that no matter what your wife does, no matter the offense, no matter the crime she may have committed or she will commit, that you are going to forgive her and move on in life.
Father, I disagree with you, not in this context, Father. There are things I cannot forgive. A woman who will attempt to tempt my own father into sleeping with her under the same roof, in the same house. She knows very well that we all are going to live together. Father, certainly not that kind of woman, Father. I will not forgive Chama.
Tobenna, you cannot debate this, okay? The decision is made and
No,
that's
Mother.
final.
No, Mother. It cannot be final. Mother, my words should be final, not yours. I am the one wearing the shoes here, Mother. Messi is the one I want to get married to and not Chama.
Supported with my full chest.
Will you shut your mouth? We don't talk when adults are talking.
This is family matter, and I belong to this family. Besides, this family does not consist of adults only.
My daughter is right. The woman in question is going to become her sister-in-law, so her opinion should be able to count.
Honey, please, can you not just get involved in this? This is something that squarely falls in my office as the woman of the house, and I am handling it.
Stop already, Mom. Stop twisting this whole thing to mean I am not man enough to know who I want to marry. Forgiveness is personal. That you are forgiving someone does not mean we all should forgive the person at the same time. Choma crossed the line. She crossed the line the very minute she decided to throw herself at my father. I will not forgive her, Mom.
She's changed. Okay?
Mom, please stop. I'm the one wearing the shoes. I know where it pinches.
Honey, can you just please make him to understand?
I'm still trying to process it.
You do it fast.
Nothing can stop me now. I learned he finally brought a girl home.
Yes.
That means you're taking me for granted.
How, dear?
I told you about my intention to marry your son.
The plan was already in motion before you came up with your own plan.
Really?
Yes.
So what did you do when he brought the girl home?
I told Toba that it will not work.
Is that all you told him?
I also told him to go back and reconcile with you.
Perfect. What did he say?
He's fighting against it.
Of course, I know he will fight. But you need to press it down his neck. In fact, choke him with it. He must come back to me.
I'm already at it. So consider it done.
That'll be all for tonight. Good night.
Oh God, I just pray this works. Just pray.
Chama, whatever nonsense you call yourself. See that thing you're planning? It will not work. You hear me? It will not work!
My love, what are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, I do not know what you're talking about.
Hey, don't try this pretense game with me. Hear me? You know what I'm talking about. How come my mom all of a sudden is fond of you?
Oh, really? Well, the thing is, I'm not in your mom's head. So I wouldn't know why she suddenly became fond of me. That's beside the point. I'm actually very sorry, you know. And I won't stop being sorry for everything I did. I think the best person to answer your question is your mother and not me.
Listen.
But I will not stop apologizing for what I did. I know it was wrong.
Chama, keep your apology to yourself. I don't need it.
No, I wasn't apologizing to you.
I said shut up.
Oh, okay.
This relationship is over. Let it remain that way. You hear me?
Oh.
And hey, don't try to push it. Or whatever you see, you take it.
Ah, Toba, you just dared me. This won't stop. I will see to the end.
I heard everything he said.
I know it's not going to be easy. I must win in the end.
This guy knows you're using his mother to get back into his life. Don't you think that's wrong?
I know he knows, but there's nothing he can do about it. Besides, can you stop talking to me about what is wrong or what is right? I'm not a kid. Come on.
Chama, this is not going to work.
It will work.
What makes you think so?
It's quite simple. I have Madam Concern exactly where I want her. Well, I am certain everything's going to work out fine. That alone, it's a win for me.
Chama, will you please look elsewhere? I mean, there are 1,000,001 men out there ready to settle with you. Must it be Toba now?
Can you stop? Can you just shush your mouth? There are 1,000,001 men out there. But have I come to tell you that I'm interested in the 1,000,001 men? Did I send you any memo? Tobena is the man for me. He is the one I want. No one else. Okay? He will succumb. Yes. Relax. Everything is just going to work out fine. I'm not worried about it. He will definitely succumb and everything will go back to normal.
I hate to say I told you so. Don't come back crying.
Can you just keep your self-righteous attitude to yourself, Mother Mary? I don't need it. Nobody asked you for any advice. And please, I don't need you talking to me anymore, okay? I need to think.
My dear friend, I am happy you're back to Chief's house.
Same here, my dear. I am happy. There's no place like home.
Yes.
I'm relaxed now, not worried about anything, but I have a pain in the neck.
The pain? Where is the pain, my dear?
I'm being blackmailed.
Being blackmailed? By who?
Chama. Her name is Chama. The girl my son was supposed to marry.
What's she blackmailing you on?
She knows about Clinton and I. She has our sex tape.
No.
I didn't know how she get that.
No way. So what does she want?
That I should make sure my son marries her, or she will play the tape to my family. I don't know what to do.
This is a very big problem. To be honest with you, this is a very big problem. So, what are you going to do about it?
What else? I'm doing everything within my power to make sure they come back together.
It's fine. But at this point, honestly, I don't know what to do. I'm sorry.
I understand. I wish all this didn't happen. Honestly. I wish Clinton and I never crossed paths.
Everything will be fine. Trust me.
Let's work
How? I promise you, everything will be fine.
Make it shine again.
Tabina,
Yeah.
if your parents don't like me, I think you should just let it be. I don't think you should push.
No. My love, listen, okay? It is my duty to make them love you. Yes.
But I've been wondering,
About what?
what did I do? I mean, how come they hate me at the very first sight? Why? Did I do something
Babe,
wrong?
please, can we just forget about this? I mean, think about what we have at hand, okay? Please.
It's fine if you say so.
I say so.
So, how do you intend to deal with this?
Alright, I need you to move into the house with us.
What?
You heard me?
No, that's not possible. I mean, not after everything that happened. No, I can't. It's impossible.
Baby,
Please.
it is possible, okay? I just need your approval. Please.
Tobina, I am not trying to reject your offer, but listen, I just don't want trouble. I don't want to have issues with your parents, so maybe you should take some time and sort things out first.
Stay calm, please. Let me deal with this. You know, sometimes you don't need to run away from troubles. You need to face it head on to have a lasting solution. Alright? And one of the ways that I need to sort this out is for you to move into the house with us. Please. Do this for me, please.
Can I take some time to think about this? Because it doesn't feel right.
Babe, please, do this for us, I beg you.
That's fine, whatever you want. So when do you want to move in?
Tomorrow.
That's fast. Why'd you rush?
Yeah, I want it very fast. In fact, it's the perfect time. You know, my dad used to say that "Noku noku kaneri hunyago." You understand? It simply means that one must be sensitive enough to know where to apply urgency where urgency is needed. Okay? Please.
Okay, fine. But I won't be staying in your room.
Like, come on. Babe, we have more than 4 unoccupied rooms in our house. I mean, just move in first, please. Please.
Love never die, baby.
Smile for me, please.
Let's wake this love.
Smile for me.
Make it shine again.
Her phone is ringing. Eh? She called for this meeting. And to make matters worse, she's not picking. What is the meaning of this? Oh God, pick your call now, pick.
Shine like morning down. Let us rise up from ashes like furnace bone. We shine again, baby. So our love will shine like diamond in the morning down. Let's make this love to shine again. Let's renew this love to shine again, baby. Please, so our love will shine, please, like diamond in the morning down. We can turn back the time, but we can make it right, baby.
Why are you not picking up that call? If you're not going to take that, I'm going to pick that up.
No, you won't even try that. This is my phone. You don't take my calls. Besides, I want her to wait.
Why are you punishing this woman?
Nothing.
What if she gets too anxious and goes back home?
Oh, trust me. She wouldn't dare.
Don't be too sure.
Well, baby girl, I am 100% sure. I have her exactly where I want her. And she will do exactly what I tell her to do. It's as simple as that.
I hate to say this, but you're playing a very dangerous game, and this is definitely going to fire back at you.
Well, darling, of course I know there will be after effects. But trust me, I'll be long married to Toba, before anyone finds out what I'm doing. And when they eventually do, the rest will be history.
Wait. You want to get married to Toba now? And your mother-in-law will be with the same woman you blackmailed? Like, wait, Chama. How do you intend to play your way around that?
This is my game. Allow me play the way I see fit. Don't interfere. Okay, fine. You win. I'm taking a corner. I'm going to change my shoes. Just go change them.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She know the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear trouble.
Angel, I have been looking for you around the compound. You know you were here.
Yeah, I just decided to have some time for myself.
Okay, hope it's well.
Yeah, it's well.
Alright,
Please, can I ask some questions?
alright. Just a minute, let me get a seat. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I just need an honest answer. Do you love Messi that much to the extent of marrying her?
Yes, I do. I mean, with all of my heart. Why do you ask?
What about bringing her home so we live together?
How would you say? How would you say that? I mean, that was exactly what I discussed with her.
Exactly. Because to me, I think that is the only way mom and dad will adjust and like her. That is the only way they will accept her. I mean, at first they'll kick against it, but your love must surely prevail. Don't you think so?
I mean, it's not going to be easy. I mean, I know mom and dad will surely kick against it. But, Adadichi, I need you to promise me. Will you support me? I need you on my side.
Sure. I mean, you're my brother. You have all my support.
Thank you. You're my darling sister, and I'll always hold you highest.
Same here. You're my best brother in the world, and I will always hold you highest.
Alright then. You just made my day. Thank you. Let me take a shower. Okay?
First off, I'm not here for a question and answer section.
Are you this rude?
Shut your mouth. Let's discuss the reason I'm here.
Did you just say I should shut my mouth up?
I did. Besides, I'm in no mood to banter words with you.
Okay. Why do you request you see me?
Well, I want to move in with you and Chief as Tobena's wife-to-be.
I beg your pardon. How?
Well, I've made my demands. It's up to you to set up the structure on how it's gonna work. I'll be expecting your call tonight on when I'm moving in. I'll be waiting.
This is not happening. This is not just happening to me.
Well, without mincing words, my answer is no.
Why, Father? Why?
Chama is your wife and you have to stick to her.
No, Father. You started it. Father, I want to see what you started to the rightful end.
What did I start?
Father, you told me. You said to me that Chama is not good and fit enough to be my wife. Father, you went as far as telling me that if at the end of the day I end up getting married to Chama, there are tendencies that all the children she will bear might not be my biological children. Why the sudden change, Father?
Well, I said that, but having critically analyzed everything, I have changed. Everything has changed.
What exactly changed, Father?
Sit down. I am going to answer your question using a term in football, a new term in football called video assisted referee, VAR. Yes, it's something new, but it will answer your question. We have seen several times during football matches when the referee will make a decision based on what he or she has seen. And all the players will gather around the referee protesting that the decision is wrong, insisting that the referee should go and consult the VAR. And we have seen where the referee will just decide to please the players, and then he goes or she goes to consult the VAR and then sees clearly and then overturns decision made originally. That is just the same case here.
I don't understand, Father. I mean, what are you saying? Why bringing a non-substantial scientific hypothesis of a football match of what do you call it? Video-assisted referee to influence my marital status to the woman I love and I want to spend the rest of my life with, Father?
I don't understand all this grammar you are breaking.
It's something you said, Father.
No. I have consulted the relationship VAR, and I now know that Chama is the best thing that can happen to you.
Sorry to disappoint you, Father. It will not work. Father, I will never get married to Chama. That's fine.
Excuse me. Come back here. Come back here and take this glass left of my table. This boy actually thinks
You didn't sound well over the phone. I hope there's no problem.
I'm tired. This girl is asking for the impossible.
Who?
Chama, of course.
Chama. What does she want?
This time she wants to move in with us.
I will tell you the truth, my dear friend. At this point, you should oblige her.
Eh?
Yes. I mean, you can't afford her to release those videos. If Chief and your children sees those videos, you know what that means? They will hate you forever. So, my dear, please, I am begging you, bring her in, target her phone, and delete the videos. Please. Yes.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
Oh, thanks for the advice. What if I send boys to her house?
What?
Yes.
No way.
Let them steal her phone.
Then no. You are not going to do that. You don't want to get things worse. Please just relax, okay? Relax. Just allow her in. Achieve your goal. And everything will be fine.
God. Okay, thanks for the advice. But, you know, I could pay somebody to hack her phone. I mean, hackers.
It's not a good idea. So just relax, please. Okay?
Oh, Sonia, how did I end up that?
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Adadisha, I will appreciate it if you will go straight to the point. Because I don't have all day.
Daddy, all my life I've always known you as a decisive man that hardly changes from his conviction. So why the sudden change of mind? What happened?
I already discussed this with your brother and I have explained everything to him.
Okay, so please, can you explain it to me?
If actually you want to know, discuss with your brother. I've explained everything to him.
I know Mom is the one pushing. I know.
Really?
Yes.
The same man you just qualified as being decisive is the one you believe anybody is pushing?
Because you have changed. This is not you. You have changed to the extent I don't even know you anymore.
I am telling you now that I have not changed. I am not one of those men that anybody can push into doing anything. Indeed, I am a decisive man. And for me to decide on anything will mean I have critically analyzed it before taking a stand. Okay?
That is why you want the same lady that tried seducing you several times to marry my brother.
To err is human and to forgive is divine. That saying kept echoing in my head. And it dawned on me suddenly that I have to forgive this lady because she is indeed a human. Do you have a problem with that?
I have a problem with it. A lot of problems.
Then you have to deal with your problem because I am not part of your problems. Okay?
But Daddy, do you think...
This is all I can take. And this... In fact, I have come to the end of this discussion. Thank you. Get me water to drink.
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear rain, no. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. She not the fear rain, no. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She know the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain, no. She not the fear. Yes, for trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear. She not the fear.
Babe, let's go inside.
Wait. Are you sure?
Babe, I said let's go inside.
I don't feel comfortable here.
Hey, come on. I am here. Okay? I'm here. Let's go. Adam! Wait for my signal, okay? I'll tell you when to get our luggages inside. Let's go.
You don't know the plans. You just stay waka.
I'll be the one to clean up the kitchen today, Mommy.
Why, my dear?
Because we'll be expecting a special guest.
Special guest?
Yes.
I don't know about. Who is that?
Oh.
Welcome.
You? What do you want here? I'm asking, what are you doing here?
Good afternoon.
I asked you a question that requires an answer and not greeting. What are you doing here?
She's here to stay.
Excuse me?
You heard me, Mom?
You're joking, right?
No,
He's not joking. He's coming to it here. Just go.
If you dare move. If you dare move.
Keep moving now.
He said keep moving.
Go on.
What do you mean by keep moving?
Mom, don't start.
Come inside.
Don't start.
Come.
What do you think you're doing?
Mom, I am doing what makes me happy.
Tobina!
Mom, I am doing what makes me happy.
She can't move in here.
She's moving already.
Stop there!
Mom, you can't stop her. There's nothing you or Dad or anyone can do about it. It's my happiness, my joy, my peace. Take her to my room.
No. This is not happening. This is not happening. What do I tell Chama? What do I tell her?
Hello? What? When? Thanks for the information. I'll act on it right away. Thank you. This woman wants to play me dirty. I'm not having it. Just go in there now, pack my bags, and I'm there too.
Pack your bags? Are you traveling?
No?
So why are you going to pack your bags?
I was just reliably informed that the girl Tobina wants to marry just moved into Chief's house. Yes. So it simply means I have to move in also. What? And of course, do not tell me it's over, because it is not over. Okay? I'm moving in.
Wait. Chama, why do you keep making big mistakes? Why do you keep repeating mistakes over and over again?
What mistake exactly? How is it a mistake that I'm fighting for what rightfully belongs to me? Besides, you should be grateful, because I'm moving out and I'm moving into Chief's house. It simply means you have this whole place to yourself. I'm not even asking you for rent. So come on, be grateful. I have to hurry. I have a more important mission.
God, Chama. Chama will never change. Why is she so desperate? Whatever. It's a mistake. It's a life.
Tobina, I am talking and you're walking away. What is wrong with you?
Father, what?
Tobina, you dare not go against my instruction. It is not going to happen.
Father, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, Father? I am an adult. I have the right to choose who I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Listen, we as your parents, we have a duty to guide you to make sure you are making the right decision.
Father, not when the guidance is leading to nowhere. It's leading to a blood end, Father. It is my life, my choice, my wife. I know what I want.
You don't know what you want. And that is why we're telling you to end whatever you think you have with that girl. What is so special about her after all?
Exactly the same point. I mean, exactly the same question I've been asking. What's so special about that, Chama? Why are you all of a sudden pushing that towards me? Why?
Listen, we are not going to hold this conversation with you and keep having this argument with you. Go back to your room and ask that girl to leave.
I will not do that, Father.
You will not do that?
Yes.
That means you are leaving me with no other option than to throw her out myself.
Dad, you're not going to do that. It's my life. My wife. You won't do that.
That.
Well, your madam asked me to come. You can just go in there and verify my claim.
You sure say madam asked you to come? Because if I go confirm and she tell me say nah no, Mama say you are not thinking to me.
Yes, she did, Adam.
You have to calm down. Let me go and tell her. Don't move from here for security
Can you just
purpose.
stop wasting my time?
It's okay.
Thank you.
Tobenda, open this door. I said you should open the door.
Oh. You didn't tell me you were coming.
I know.
So what do you want this time?
Well, I moved in.
Excuse me?
Yes. Take me to his room.
I haven't discussed this with him.
Well, take me inside, then you can discuss it with him.
Very well then, come.
Oh, excuse me. My bag.
What is wrong with your bag?
Oh, I'm a VIP and should be treated as such. I'm your daughter-in-law to be. Come on, you don't expect that I start lifting heavy loads at this early in this relationship?
You want me to carry your bag? Chama.
There's no one else here. Thank you. Oh my God, this house is so magnificent. Ah, what a beautiful house.
This woman don't go do jazz. She don't go do jazz. She don't double jazz. But I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Save for a minute, you for who get them in. Because the Bible says, though I walk through the valley and the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Let the church say, Amen
cover myself with the blood of Jesus. You shall not see me. You shall not see me.
Babe, you just need to calm down, okay?
I'm trying.
Just try harder.
I told you I don't want to be in your room. Why did your sister bring me here?
Hey, my room is the best place for you right now. Please.
I should go.
No.
Toba, my presence here is causing a whole lot. Let me just
No,
go.
no. Please. Please, I beg you. Look, if I should take you to another room, I'm afraid this whole thing might get worse. Okay? So my room is the best place for you, and I promise you I'll handle this. Okay? Look at me. We're in this together. Right? It's okay, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay.
Tobina, your wife to be is here. Take her to your room.
I will do no such thing, Dad.
Tobina, the least you could do is to battle words with your father.
Mom, I am not bantering words with him. I'm only taking my stand. Mom, I will go to any length to resist any form of imposition. Don't know this fool.
I think now that she's here, let's treat this matter properly.
What do you mean?
How do you mean?
This lady here is blackmailing Mom.
No, that's not true. Will you shut up?
No, don't shut me up, because I know what I'm saying. She's threatening to tell Daddy about Mommy's relationship with Mr. Clinton.
Anyway, that's not why we're here. Tobe, take her to your room, please.
Mom, don't tell me you did not tell that about your dealings with that fool. That fool that fought me the day I came to visit you.
Who is Clinton, my dear?
Huh?
Is he a Nigerian?
Go ahead, speak.
We used to be friends.
Okay.
That was when I was not here. Do you get? So as soon as I moved in back to the house, I blocked him. I erased everything about him, make sure he won't have access to reach me, but social media and the phone call. Trust me.
Well, we are not going to discuss this because I have already made up my mind. The very moment we reconciled and your mother got back to this house, I concluded that whatever that happened in the past must remain in the past. So we shouldn't go there. It's in the past.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, hello, cheap little blackmailer. Since your blackmail can no longer hold water, I think you should just pack your rags out of my father's house.
Would you watch her speak to me in that manner?
Will you shut up? Get up and get your miserable self out of this compound.
Wait, before she leaves. Daddy, she has a sexual video of Mommy and Mr. Clinton.
Oh, hey! Hold it right there. Hey.
Sit down.
Hold it.
Sit!
You don't need anybody to tell you you are actually standing before a man who is absolutely connected in this country. I know who to call and you will go in never to be seen again. I'm not going to press charges, hold you, arrest you for blackmail and all that. But that will be on the condition that we will have an agreement here and now to get rid of all the videos you have. Look at me. Where are the videos?
You don't know the plans, you just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans, you just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Oh, yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear at all. Yes, rain go fall. She know the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. Trouble comes and goes. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear trouble. Yes, rain go fall. But she not the fear rain.
It has finally casted, though. It has casted. What do you mean? That little witch destroyed all my plans. How so? It's finished. How? She told Chief that Madam Concern was only supporting me simply because I was blackmailing her. And that's how everything just went. Oh my God. How did she know about the blackmail? I don't know. I don't know. Everything has just crashed like a pack of cards. Just within a second, everything just scattered. It's okay. Don't cry. I had to tell you that I warned you about this, but you didn't listen to me. It's fine. Please. It will never be fine. Come on, pull yourself together. It's not the end of the world. What are you saying? It's not the end of the world. My whole world just ended. Everything has ended. And you're telling me it's not the end of the world. I know you're happy. At least it has finally happened to me now. So you're happy. You know that's not true. I never wish you here. I never wish you bad. I just saw this coming. I knew it was going to get to this. That was why I kept warning you. It's okay. It's fine. Please stop crying. Please pull yourself together. Stop crying, please. Oh? You are Chama. I have nothing left. I have no spring.
You don't know the plans. You just stay waka. You don't know the plans in her mind. Oh, you don't know her plans. You just stay the fun. You don't know what is in her mind. Ooh, she's a golden child. She not the fear this trouble where they fall like rain. Yes, rain go fall. Oh, yes, rain go follow. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear rain. Yes, rain go fall. A golden child. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear. Yes, rain go fall. She not the right thing to do. But she not the fear rain. She not the fear.